Hello guys, look what I've just received. Oh my god, I mean it's Christmas. This is just absolutely incredible. For a resin artist to receive colours like this, I can't tell you. Well, all of you resin artists will know that there is nothing better than pigments, resin and moulds. And today it's pigment heaven. So all these are the new Just for You Online UK pigment pastes. So they are paste and not powders. And you just mix them in a small quantity with your resin. So we've got smoky quartz, black pearl, silver pearl, grey pearl. Oh, cafe latte, I can't wait. Caramel gold, rich brown, crystal pearl, which looks divine, mango, which is really unusual, lava gold, pearl flame, golden topaz, burnt orange, gold quartz, electric pink, ivory is divine. I can't wait to get my hands on the ivory. Raspberry, the cherry is absolutely stunning. Mauve, pastel lilac, amethyst, delicate rose, so pretty. Smoky quartz, I've already said. Then in the greens, we've got sea green, rich teal, satin green. And in the blues, we've got Arctic blue, Maya blue, and sapphire blue. And obviously the rest of their collection, which is very much available. I mean, look at these colors. Look at those. Maya blue. Oh, isn't that gorgeous? I absolutely love it. But I want to show you. Let's bring some of these down. I mean, look at this cafe latte. Look at this color. Oh, I can't wait. And I want to show you this one. I have been dying. And this is the ivory. Dying to try this color. So they're all absolutely gorgeous for those of you who like pinks. And this is the raspberry. And I'm looking forward to this cherry. Look at this color. Oh, I love it. Absolutely glorious color. Love, 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 love. And I adore these new pots. They're so pretty, first of all, and so practical. I don't know if I can open one. No, my hand is still not great. I still don't have all my power back. But I've healed, stitches are out, and I can work again. Yay! Although I have cheated and I have been working the last couple of days. I just couldn't hack it anymore. Yeah. So that's it from me, guys. And I hope you enjoyed this. If you want to purchase, use my code Valerie in capital letters to get 10% off your purchases of 4 products or more. And I will see you guys soon. Bye.